The man who was once the face of the judicial system in Macomb County today pleaded guilty to obstructing justice. Former county prosecutor Eric Smith resigned back in March amid an embezzlement investigation and today appeared before a judge on federal charges. Priya Mann with the newest developments and where the case goes from here. Priya.
Eric Smith is no stranger to a courtroom, but today he was just another defendant. Normally, he would have walked into federal court to be arraigned, but today he appeared before a judge via Zoom. Smith has signed a plea agreement admitting to obstruction of justice.
We want the people who are corrupt to know this has to stop.
U.S. Attorney Matthew Schneider says the FBI had been investigating former Macomb County prosecutor Eric Smith for more than a year.
Our state has seen a number of public officials who have sworn to uphold their oaths, and then they violated that. Our job here is to not only prosecute people and bring justice to the citizens of Macomb County and the state of Michigan, but it's also to let people know we're watching this. And we don't want this to happen anymore.
Smith signed a plea deal with the feds admitting he tried to persuade a witness and influence their testimony. Smith also tried to get his assistant prosecutors to lie and suggested they create a fake consulting contract to justify stolen campaign funds. Smith was spending tens of thousands of dollars he'd raised politically on himself.
People might view that when a long-standing law enforcement official is charged with a crime and agrees to plead guilty, people might think that that's an excuse or a reason to have lack of confidence in the system. You know, the opposite is true.
While Smith pleaded guilty in federal court, he's still facing a slew of charges from Attorney General Dana Nessel, including embezzlement and running a criminal enterprise.
Even when people violate their oaths, people should feel confident that the federal government or in the state government is going to step in and put their foot down and bring people to justice.
And Smith was given a $10,000 unsecured bond. He can't leave the state without permission and has to surrender his CPL. He faces up to 21 months in prison and a $250,000 fine. In downtown Detroit, I'm Priya Mann, Local 4.